why you start strong but lose momentum, and how to fix it in 3 simple steps. If you give me the next 3 minutes, I'll show you a simple 3-step process to start strong and actually keep going. By the way, I made a checklist to help you uncover the beliefs stopping you from staying consistent and keeping momentum. If you want it, just type breakthrough in the comments or send me a DM and I'll send it. Now, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Jose Rojas, founder of True Thought Mindset, and I help people break free from stress, doubt, and fear so they can feel calm, confident, and in control. Now, most people don't realize that their emotions control them and they react instead of choosing how they actually feel. When you master your mind, everything gets better and easier. Now, a lot of people that come to me have this problem. They start something and they go strong at the beginning, but then they lose momentum fast. And of course, it's frustrating. You want to keep going, you want to be disciplined, but they stop. And so they push themselves, they force themselves, they push harder, they think that more discipline is going to be able to fix this situation. But the reason why that doesn't work is because forcing habits doesn't last. Real change happens when the brain builds new pathways. This is called neuroplasticity, and it's how the brain rewires through small daily actions. Without that, the brain stays stuck in old patterns. So here's what I do when my clients come to me. I let them know about my 3-step habit process, the process that I use to create habits. Before we get into these 3 steps, I always tell them to focus on this because this is the most important part. If you don't focus on habit, you don't take the habit part seriously, and you just try a bunch of things, you're just gonna fall off on every single one and you're gonna play the start and stop game. But if you wanna stop doing that, focus on one habit at a time. So let's get into the 3 steps of how to create habits in your life. Now, step 1 is you wanna write the goal. The reason why you wanna write the goal is because the brain needs a target. If it's not written, it's easy to forget and it's easy to get distracted. That's why people keep falling off, because they let other things come into their mind and they don't stay focused on their goal. They forget about it. But when you have it written down, it's always there to remind you. Now, the second step is to pick one habit. Now, too many habits at once causes overwhelm. And when you pick one habit at a time, you're building progress. It's easy to stay focused compared to, I gotta do this, I gotta do this, I gotta do this, I gotta do this. You'll forget. And the third step is my favorite step, which is use a calendar. Now, what I mean by that is have a blank calendar in front of you. It's strictly for your habits, and you're gonna put an X every time you do it. And the wonderful thing about this is you're seeing the progress, and that's building momentum and is making you want it even more. Now, the reason why this solution works is because, like I said, it keeps you on track. So when you see progress, you stay motivated, your confidence grows, your momentum builds, and then after 30 days, do it again. Because the more you repeat it, the stronger it becomes. And this is how real change actually happens. As my teacher Bob Proctor said, if someone does something for 30 days, they'll do it for 30 years. Follow this and your life will change dramatically. Now, I put together a sheet that helps you find the beliefs that make you lose momentum. These are called limiting beliefs. We all have them. I have these beliefs on a sheet of paper right here. And once you find the ones that resonate with you, you'll know exactly what's been holding you back. And once you see it, you can finally change it and actually start moving forward and faster towards your goals. So if you want it, just type breakthrough in the comment or send me a DM and I'll send it to you. I'm Jose Rojas, and this is True Thought, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.